Wow.
He's spelling you.
Wow.
Is he kind of Christmas bucket? What does he have?
He has a bag.
She retarded.
Oh, look, they're about to fight. Watch this girl, Lena. Go watch a fist fight. Go watch a fist fight.
I'm gonna show.
Look, I'm recording it. It's funny.
I want to watch everything on DC's phone. What the fuck? No.
She fat.
That was the seat. Yes. Get down there. Me and Jason are watching fun things.
Oh, they're about to fight. They're about to fight. We don't know what they're saying, but it's funny. Please run him over, car.
Don't run him over.
Yes.
You don't even know who started it.
I don't.
She looks like she's kind of drunk.
She looks like she's a fun cracker.
She looks like Popeye. With red hair and floppy boobies.
Ah! Dang it. Watch this, everyone.
Oh no, she's going over there. Come on outside.
Me too. I'm gonna watch it outside.
I got slapped on really.
You guys need to just stay out of it.
I got
I
slapped.
don't really want to see it though.
There's no shut the fuck up.
Go. What? Dang, you're loud. Hey. Holy.
Come on, baby. You ain't gonna do shit. He's a pussy. He's a pussy bitch.
Hello.
You're a pussy bitch. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm sorry. Come on, baby. Fuck that white pussy. I know where baby mama lives. Come on, Chris. Oh, yes, I need to go. He's all talk, no ass. White boy. Fill my house up, and I promise you this baby mama will die.
Welcome to
Wrestling.
Wrestling.
You're fucking bitch. Okay, you know